guys, so I am in Roblox right now. So I'm playing strucid right now. We're here. And so this is how you win, like, oh, this is cool. Dang, that's sick. My new weapon is sick as F. Okay, so how to win every fight in strucid Roblox. Here it is, the name. So it's pretty much, hold on guys, right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Yes, indeed, I am doing Roblox. So how to win is put your, camera sensitivity to 2.2, because you can do that. You can build it faster, like this. I mean, that's fast. Like, you can build fast, like, look, guys. Like, wow. I mean, I'm not that fast it's just because, I don't have that much mouse space, but if I had a lot of mouse space, then I'd be able to do it, but make sure you guys have a lot of mouse space, too. Make sure you guys have a lot, of mouse space to shoot. Like, I don't have much space, so, see, I'm not that fast. Oh no, his thing is like so low. I should have built. Wonder how much damage this does. Whoa, I killed this dude, and my glitching is so. I didn't purposely do it, but that's sick as hell. PG rated. Okay, this is a scar. It looks like a scar yourself. Oh, hi. Hi there. I'd like to kill you. Yeah, thank you. Round of applause. I killed him. Dude, look, like, this is so much easier to, like, kill and stuff. I mean, make sure you gotta jump around, because snipers can just snipe you. That's another tip of how to win a fight. Hi. Okay, yeah, maybe use one of those shotguns. I'm coming, wait! Guys, just getting hurried up. Hold on. Don't know why, but yeah. Just gotta, when it's 13, when the thing is at 13 minutes, then I'll just stop, so, gotta get my cover. Whoops. How to edit too? How to edit is G. Just press G, and then just press on anything, and like that. Or you could do this, which is that. Or you could just do the middle, which is that. Yeah. And if you want to replace it, just press G, click on it, left click, and then press G again to stop the edit. Yeah. Oh! What? How, dude? How? Whoa. Hi. Like, there. So, sorry, dude. I'm gonna build there now. Come on. Did I build there? And let's destroy this. Oh! Well, RIP. You know what? How long have we been recording for? Okay. A long time. 4 minutes so far. Oof. So yeah, this gun is really cool. And it's only like level 18. Which is pretty cool. Bye, dude. I'm gonna eat soon, hold on. I know I'm coming. Dang. I know. Okay, guys, so we're back. Just had to mute my mic. Oh, oof. It's been 5 minutes. When it's 13 minutes, you guys probably can't see, but if it's 13 minutes, then you guys could then I'll just end the vid. So yeah. To be honest, this is a small gun, but it produces a lot of energy. Not lying. How about that? Gotta get rid of this. Oh no. There. Whoa. Okay, there. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Yeet. I killed my teammate. No. Oh, oh my god. There. How about that? Oh, you got the high on me. No. Hell no. So yeah, guys, that's how you win a fight. But I obviously don't have a lot of these, so you guys know you need a lot of mouse space for this, because you gotta so you can do it fast and stuff. This pistol though is so fun. I mean, it's not like rapid, so that sucks. I'm just gonna build my traps again. There we go. See, it takes a long time. But it's it does 2 shots, and you just kill them. Really? Yeah. Oh, shoot. Who's there? Whoa. Okay, that pistol's not good. Whoa, okay. Let me just go up there. And also, I can tell you the controls soon in the next vid. There we go. So I'm pretty much just playing strucid and just talking. So oof, it's gonna be a boring video, but you guys can watch. So that's cool, at least. Oh! Hold on, guys. Just gonna technical difficulty. Okay guys, so I am back. Just technical difficulties. There we go. So now we're just gonna go there. Okay. Oof. Okay. Oh! Oh no! Okay. I think we got it. Oh. I see. I see this. I see. Yeah, boy. Get wrecked. Wonder if what it feels like to put up your sensitivity. What will it feel like? Oh, this feels the same. Cool. But more sensitivity. Whoa, that's incredibly fast. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down to 2.2 again. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna leave the game now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like if you want to and subscribe. And yeah. So yeah. Bye guys, peace.